moonlight in the gloomy night of life. I am Tejas Dhingra and I will be speaking on the topic music and all about it in today's visual aid speech competition. What is music? Music is basically an art form which comprises of different kinds of sounds, which is combined in such a way that it produces a beauty of which is used in different cultures of different countries. Benefits of music: relaxes the soul. The major benefit of music is that it relaxes and soothes the soul, and it relaxes and soothes the soul. It creates a positive atmosphere around us and makes us happy and calm. According to my personal experience, when I had some hard days in school, I just used to throw my bag on the couch and lie down in my bed listening to some soft music. It decreases stress and blood pressure. It has been scientifically proven that music strikes the nerves of the brain and decreases the stress hormone levels by releasing dopamine. It is also seen that music is listened by people who suffer from anxiety and depression. It elevates the mood. You must have seen in most of the parties, the music is the main common thing. It is because music creates a vibe and elevates the mood of the people. Music is also very nostalgic. For instance, just listen to a song that is filled with your fond memories of your childhood. You will become suddenly happy, and the stress of your day will just go away. Genre of music: jazz. Jazz is a very ancient type of music that was introduced in the late 19th century by the African American community. Classical music. Classical music is a type of music that was originated and is abundantly famous in India. It is coming from the times when the kings in the courtrooms played the classical music and the dancers performed on it. Hip hop. Hip hop, also called the rap music, is developed in the United States in the 1970s. The famous hip hop artists like Drake, Eminem, Jay-Z have made it so popular that it has become the number one music in the United States. Folk music. Folk music is traditionally a form that in which it is sung by ordinary people and not professionally trained singers. In this type of music, we just learn and listen from other people and by copying them. Fun facts about music: relation of heartbeat to music. Heartbeat usually syncs to the rhythm of the music, and thus it helps to decrease the heart rate. Effect of music on memory. It is scientifically proven that music helps us to improve our memory. Thus, most of the students these days try to listen to some smooth music while doing their homework or by learning something, so that it catches fastly. Advertisers use music to make you buy stuff. This is because the music they use is very catchy and thus persuades us to buy stuff. Music heals the brain. This is because it has been proven that music heals the brain by acting upon the nerves of the brain, as I have earlier said, by releasing dopamines and decreasing the stress hormone levels. I am Tejas Dhingra and you have been a great audience. Thank you.